guys. Okay, did you see the freaking sun rays? I could not be more thrilled. I could not be more thrilled that the sun is shining. This is the first sunny day in our garden in probably 3-4 weeks. But that's okay. That's okay. Because as you see around me, it has been exponential growth, I might say, in the Dennis garden. You guys, it has freaking rained and rained and rained, which I'm sure it's rained where you've been. And oh my goodness, I'm so thrilled to have a little sun. Oh shoot. Ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I just got bit. So I gotta look for some ants. Oh, you mother you. Okay, y'all. This is the day in the life of the farm for real. Something bit me on my hand. Anyway. So you caught me cussing them out. Just trying to comfort me. So I'm going to have to squat because I can do that. All right. Have you ever been in the store and you've seen garbanzo beans or chickpeas and you've seen recipes with chickpeas, garbanzo beans? Or have you ever had hummus or falafels? Well, they are made from an incredible legume called garbanzo beans. And it is stock full of nutrition. It's incredible for your heart health. It is been known to reduce your blood sugar, and it's also incredible for aiding digestion. So if you have heard of it, if you have not, boy, have you been missing out. We right now are in our area in our garden where we're growing blue lake pole beans above, and we're growing chickpeas down in our planters. And if you look really closely, so both on the right and left hand side our garbanzo beans are growing, but if you look really closely, you'll see these little beans. Move in closer. You'll see these little peas on the stems. Those are the chickpeas. Now, these are getting ready, but that's okay. Don't worry about it because we grew them last year. We have some dried ones that we've been soaking for the past 2 days, and you and I today are going to make falafels. So come with me now and let's go get rocking on day 3. Boop, 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 boop. Of our farm to table cooking series. My husband is 60 and I am 53, and we've been on a plant-based journey for the past 32 years. We have had ebbs and flows with fish at times in our diet, but for the most part, it's been a plant-based journey. So I want to share with you some of the jewels, some of the recipes, some of the nuggets of what I am cooking based on what I am growing in this garden. So you guys come on, let's go do it. And thank you for joining me with the other 2 videos. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipes. Feel free to inbox me with any questions. Let's go. So I've been soaking these 2 chickpeas for the past 2 days, and I know that they're ready to go. Now, this chickpea water is incredible. It's commonly considered aquafaba water. It's a near plant-based perfect substitute for egg whites. So I will be using it, and I save a container of it for my baking. Chickpeas are highly nutritious legumes that are praised for helping to balance blood sugar, aiding in heart health, and also aiding in digestion. If you notice, I only put in 1/4 of the bowl and gradually add chickpeas as it chops. This gives me the ability to have evenly, finely chopped chickpeas. So this is the consistency that we're looking for. Hey guys, this is my second time out in the garden. I am getting the rest of any cilantro that we have left because it's starting to flower. I cannot wait. I'm so excited to put this cilantro in. Here's a carrot. Ooh, that's pretty. Let's take that one. Let's see, nebula. It's little, veiny, but I think we can. Oh, we're gonna see. I think the cut, it's gonna be pretty on it. It's not growing sexy, but that's okay. But Let's add these nebula carrots to the blend. Yeah, they're growing short. We're gonna see what we can do with that. All right, so we got orange. Oh, okay, that's giving something. All right, yep, we're gonna take you. So these are our harvests. Don't look so sexy right now, but when I get it inside, you're gonna love it. I thought that my teacher was doing it, so I had to do it. Now, a lot of this prep work, I was debating, do I leave it in or do I not leave it in? I don't want to make the video so long. But if you notice, these meals, they are healthy. They are giving back to me and my family. But it takes a minute to prepare. So healthy eating and healthy living is a lifestyle that will last and benefit you for years to come. All it takes is preparation and planning, and before you know it, it'll just be a part of your normal system. Now we're going to pour any excess liquid off this blend, set it aside, and use for later. So now everything is mixed in together. The onions is mixed in with the garlic, it's mixed in with the cilantro, and that's all a little paste that's mixed in together. Most important rule of cooking, do not be afraid to use your hands. As long as they're clean, when you are massaging your breads, your meats, whatever you're making, you are putting love, care, and attention to your food. And your hands make for an excellent mixer. So we're going to scoop these out into these molds so I can freeze them for later. But you can use, what I'm using now is an ice cream scooper, and I press firmly up against the side of the bowl, making it tight inside the scooper, and then that makes me a circle, and then I put them in these molds, and then I can freeze them for later. You can simply use a spoon, or you can also roll the ball in your hand to create the ball of your desired size. There is no rule of thumb, just do what works good for you. These are our carrots that we got. Look at this carrot. It's so beautiful. It's worth the little bit of carrot we got. Look at the color of this carrot. How beautiful. Oh. Now, if you're striving to reduce your frying, you can simply air fry these falafels. You just toss them, and the dark part rises to the top. It's the few that you'll have to flip yourself. You want to cook them until they're golden brown. And fry them, air fry them. We're making the tzatziki. I've got this plain almond yogurt. Plain yogurt in the container. This is our tzatziki. This is how the plant-based folk get down, at least the dentist man. Put some cucumber in there. Now, you remember that liquid that we set aside? It was with cilantro, lemon, and garlic. We're going to add that to this mix. then we are going to stir, stir, stir. It's important to get all of those ingredients mixed up together, and you will have an incredible tzatziki. I like to put it aside in a closed plastic container. Then that way, at any given time, I can pull out falafel balls out of the freezer, make an incredible salad, and then add this incredible tzatziki sauce. Now, I know this is a long video, so if you're still here, you're in for a treat. What we're about to do is take these incredible pita bread and create pita chips to eat along with our falafel. They are so tasty. These lentils have been soaked and cooked for about 15 minutes. We're going to add those to our bowl as well. And then add this incredible tzatziki sauce. Okay, you guys, I am finished with our bowl. I'm sorry, I already ate a little. That's why I gotta hurry up, because I am hungry and this tastes good. Okay, let's go. What I like to do is get a little of the rice, some carrots, a little cucumber. I dig into where there's hummus and lentil, and then grab a little piece of falafel, but I usually come back and get them. Watch this. It is so delicious. I'm taking some of the pita bread that we toasted. This meal is a 10 out of 10. Anyway, I'm gonna go finish eating. Thank you so much. This was a long video because I wanted you to see how cool it is that we could grow chickpeas, store them, rehydrate them, and use them to make falafels. It's incredible. You can make falafel burgers, which is what we have sometimes. You can put falafel, but mine is my favorite, hands down, is in a bowl. The things that came out of the garden today were our yellow, orange carrots, the purple nebula carrots. The cucumber will be coming out in about a month, right? And that was it. Oh, and the chickpeas, all of that came. Oh, and the field mix, all of that came from the garden. So you see, I don't have, at this point, I'm not growing every single thing that we eat, but I'm getting to the point to where I am eliminating things out. Literally every season I get to eliminate something new, and this season is chickpeas.
so happy. So you guys saw what the chickpea looked like growing. And now you get to see what it's like on a as a falafel. How cool is that? Anyway, you guys have an amazing day. Thank you. I gotta eat. I'm hungry.